In this, we will make dog first. Okay, dog. Can you see the dog? How the dog looks? Everyone take the color paper that you want. Maybe yellow, brown. Do you have yellow, brown? Or cream and brown? Any two colors we need. Yellow, brown, cream, brown, or orange you can take instead of brown. One light shade, one dark shade.
I have yellow.
Yellow, and what is the darker shade?
Brown.
Do you have orange?
Yes.
Orange?
Yes.
Take those two. Take those two.
Okay.
Everyone take it.
How many paper we need? Ma'am,
Two
which
papers.
color?
Yellow and brown, or maybe yellow and orange.
Ma'am, I don't have brown.
Do you have orange?
Yeah.
Take orange. Okay, everyone take ready. Going to the next step, okay? You have to cut a big circle of yellow. Cut a big circle. It should be the size of your hand. When you put a circle
Orange
this much,
already done.
make a circle like this much big.
I know how to make, but I have to fold it and make.
Yes, use half of that paper and make a circle. Fold it and use half of that paper. Yes. Yellow or cream. If you have cream, then cream. Yellow, if you have, then go with yellow. Fold it in half and make the circle using anything. Take help from your parents to make a circle if you are not able to make a circle.
I know how to make.
Yes, Adhika ma'am, would you like to continue?
Okay, fine. They're doing actually. Okay, you can draw the circle by drawing a circle on the paper and cut it down. Then fold the paper and draw a semicircle, then cut. So these are the two ways you can simply create a circle, make a circle.
Everyone, someone is there with you to help, right? Mama, Papa, brothers. No one, Kenza will do alone, right? Okay, this is superstar.
I don't know how to make circle. Ma'am.
Who is there, Naila, with you?
Ma'am, can I ask my mother? My mother is
Yes.
my sister's side.
Maybe we can like take a cap from any of the utensil and draw the circle using the cap. That works, right?
Ma'am.
Take a big cup and draw the circle.
Okay, so all of you listen. You can just take a paper. Okay, all of you please listen. Just take a paper. Okay.
Naila, listen to ma'am. Riza, please listen to ma'am first.
Okay, and fold like this. Fold the paper like this. Okay.
Ma'am, like this?
Yeah, you can also, yeah, Kenza, very good. You can also use that thing. Then you can draw a semicircle here. Okay, half of the circle here and cut it. Okay.
Bigger.
Yeah. Yes, very good, Asma.
Okay, Asma. Asma has made a circle.
Ma'am, is this enough?
Yes, that's enough.
More than enough.
Ma'am, do we have to make another circle?
Different color, yes. Now you can use brown or orange to make a smaller
Ma'am,
circle for nose. That is the nose actually.
Okay.
This is a nose. So it should be a smaller circle. See, we'll go back. This is how our dog should look. See, this is the dog here on the side. So you see the small nose.
Ma'am, this is okay?
Yes,
That
very
is
good,
okay.
Lisa.
Yes.
Now what do we do?
We have to make a smaller circle.
Take the
with
other
orange
paper.
or brown.
Like orange?
Yeah.
Jerome, good. Yes, Jerome. Very good.
Ma'am, we don't have black color.
That we will use a pencil or a sketch pen instead of black color, right? No Malayalam. Risa, English.
She's communicating with her parents, I think. You can mute your mic, Risa.
Ma'am, like this.
Good, Kenza. Yes. Now you can draw the second
Very
circle.
good. So, how many of you completed the first step? I think Kezia also and Naila left. Very good, Asma.
Ma'am, is this good enough?
Yes, very good.
Very
It's
good.
like
Now you
so
can stick
big.
it. Now you can stick it.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
Stick it.
after we stick it, can I draw a small circle that is black?
Yeah.
Yes, you can do that.
A more smaller? Because this is too big.
Yes, for the nose you can make a smaller circle.
Riham joined. Why you late, Riham?
Riyam, we are 15 minutes late. What happened, Riyam?
Ma'am, I make a circle.
Very good, Naila.
See what's on the screen, you have to draw that. You have to make a bigger circle, then smaller circle, then smaller circle with different colors.
So, Riham,
What should I do?
you have to take two color papers, yellow and orange or yellow and brown. Okay. Do you have the things with you right now? The color papers, gum. Okay, all you have to take. Go and take first. Okay. Okay, very good, Asma.
Ma'am, can I draw even smaller circle for the nose?
That you can draw with a sketch pen or a crayon. Do you have a color pen? Draw with that. We don't have to cut
Yes,
and
I
stick
do.
that. Yes, good.
Jerome.
Ma'am, I took yellow and orange.
Okay. So first you have to cut a big circle. Big circle in the sense.
Is it too big?
Yeah, Naila, please show.
Show Riham. Riham,
Yes,
look at
Kenza, Naila, all are showing. Riham, you can listen. You have to
You have to
listen.
look at Kenza. See how she has made a big circle and a small circle. You have to draw two
Yeah,
circles.
I
with
have to
different
make a
colors.
big circle with this.
Yeah,
Yes,
big
and then a
circle
small
with
circle.
yellow, then a small circle with the orange.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Risa.
Yes.
you need to stick it.
No, I think that's too big. The orange one is too big. Yes. Make it little more smaller. Very good, Asma. Very good.
Asma, nice. It is looking good.
Nice, very
Ma'am.
fast. Yes.
When I color red on a different color paper, it's like not a different color.
It's not a pure black, right?
Different color.
When
Yeah.
I color red on orange, it becomes circle, okay? That red.
Yeah, that one is okay, Riham.
Ma'am, can I take my orange and make eyes?
Not eyes, the nose, for the nose.
Ma'am.
Yes, Risa. Yes. Now it's okay.
Good, Risa. Very well done. Now you join it. Then color the nose.
Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
Who is that shouting there?
Not in the center. Okay, look at the picture. Not in the center. In a corner. Okay, Kezia, show it again. Kezia pasted in center, I think. Ah, is that almost okay? Yes.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes, very good, Naila. But it's like
It's like the nose in the mouth's place and the
yeah,
mouth in the nose's
the
place.
black is in
Not my nose.
Okay.
Not
Yes.
my nose.
Riha, you join it. Stick it with the gum.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Asma.
Ma'am, is it?
Asma, please show yours. Please show yours. Yeah, all of you look here. All of you look there, Asma's. Yeah, yeah, very good. Make like yes, very good, Kenza. Okay, all of you look how Asma made. Yes, Asma.
Ashma,
Can
good job.
I make the mouth?
The next part, we have to make eyes like that. Mouth, you make the mouth. Then next we have
Okay.
to draw mouth for that.
Ma'am, look at the nose.
Oh, it has to be little more bigger, Riham.
Okay, then
Little more bigger,
I make it bigger.
Okay, little more bigger.
Ma'am, let me just get my mother to help me.
Ah, you can take Mama's help if she is available. If she is available, okay?
Okay, very good, Jerome. Very good. What about Kezia, Naila, and Risa? Okay, so Naila, the nose is there. It's okay, fine, no problem. If you can cut another circle in orange and paste there on the top of that, Naila. If you can cut another orange round and paste there.
Now the nose is okay?
Ah, it's still too
Riham,
small, I
can you
think.
make this much bigger?
I have space for my little face.
Little more bigger, the orange shade.
Little more bigger we need. You make it bigger. Half of the face of yellow. Half of the size of yellow, sir. Make it little more bigger. All the others, yes. Risa, now make the nose with the color pen. Black nose. Good, Risa.
Okay, already
Okay,
Kenza, Jerome, Asma, all finished.
Completed?
Yes.
Risa also completed. Naila and Reha waiting for you, okay?
Naila did, but
We are
actually
going-
the nose is in the mouth side.
Okay, next step is you have to make eyes. So you have to cut 2 more circles of the orange color and make the eyes. Good, Asma. Yes. Jerome, you're doing right.
It's yellow though. It's okay. But it's
Okay,
yellow.
that's okay. Yes. Make a nose with black, Priya.
I think you can create eyes with white. White
Ma'am,
papers.
can I put some?
She was doing Asma, it's okay. From inside that you can stick
I
white.
put a circle on the nose.
It need to be bigger circle. See this image that I am sharing, how big that is. That much bigger yours has to be. Right?
Ma'am, can I use white paper?
Yeah,
Yes,
for
you can
eyes.
use that.
Ma'am, I got small. Ma'am, look.
Casey, sorry, Riha, we need a bigger one. Make bigger, right? Why you're making
I'll make
smaller?
my circle big.
Yeah, make it bigger. Let
Not
it
the
be
yellow
big.
one, the orange one. Okay, the orange one, little more bigger.
Casey, show me what you have got so far. Oh, good job, Casey. Yes, very well done. Now you can start with the eyes. Riha? Yes. Riza, good. Riza,
Okay,
yes.
Riza,
Now you
very
can make
good.
the mouth. With the red sketch, you can draw mouth. See the mouth there? Draw the mouth with the red sketch. Below the nose, see here, mouth is there, right?
Can you
Draw
zoom
that with red.
in
Yeah,
now?
yeah, I'll zoom it.
Okay.
Is it fine now? See? Wow.
Yes.
Now, Riza, you have to draw mouth there, okay? Naila, what happened to you?
Ma'am, we don't have red color.
Pink, do you have pink?
Yes.
Use pink.
Ma'am, we have pink color. Is this circle enough?
That's surplus enough. Now use a black sketch and
What
draw
color
the
should
nose.
the eyes be? What color
No,
should
not
the eyes?
eyes. Now nose, black nose. See the one that I'm sharing on the screen?
Black nose.
Black nose. Dot.
I have orange nose.
Inside
Okay.
that you have to put a black nose. See here. Can you see, Riha?
That's a puppy.
Should I color it black?
Yeah.
Yes. Inside there should be a smaller black circle.
Okay, not the whole orange. You don't need to color the orange into black.
Yes.
Only the quarter side of the orange.
You're doing well, Riham. Don't worry. Jerome, show me yours. Where have you reached? More bigger.
She's drawing the eyes, I think. They're inside of the orange.
No, it's
Yeah?
not the eyes, it's the nose is all.
See, only one nose is there, right? Can you see that?
Only
That one nose is bigger. Half of the size of orange is the nose. So it should be half the size of the orange.
can
Naila,
you
what happened
zoom
to
to the
Naila?
mouse? The nose, ma'am.
Show
Only
me,
for
Naila. Okay,
Riham.
good.
Only for Riham.
This is the maximum I can do. Please don't ask me to stop. Riham, why you have two black dots? Why not one? Here I have shown you only one black dot.
Look at the picture that ma'am is sharing.
See
Look
the one
there.
I am sharing?
Yeah,
Can
there
you see
is
that?
only one circle. There is only one dot, one black dot. Can you see there?
Just a second. Riham, are you able to see the screen that I'm sharing? Inside that, can you see nose is only one? This is the nose. The rest is eyes. Eyes will come later. So it should be half the size of your orange circle. Okay?
Ma'am, I just wrote, the nose, we have two highlighted there.
Not our. This is a dog.
A dog.
Yes. Kenza, you can just draw the mouth with red if you have. No, if you want to stick, that is also okay.
Yeah, that's a
want to draw?
puppy, Riham. That's a puppy with black nose.
Naila, show me where you have reached. Not now? Okay. Mama is helping? Good, very well. Now draw the nose, okay?
Little more bigger, Riham. Bigger.
Riham, make it bigger, Riham, bigger.
There is no one with Riham, that's why.
Yes. Now make the mouth, smiley mouth.
Draw
with
the
red.
mouth like that. You can draw.
Below the nose. Okay, good. I think she got the concept. Everyone is wearing very, very cute hairband and very cute bows. I also have something. Give me 1 second. I'll show you something, huh? Is it coming?
Ma'am, can I put my nose a bit little down
See
because
this?
I need space?
See this, people? Ah.
Wow.
Everyone is wearing hairband, so I also got one. And it has eyes. Mine has eyes also.
Yeah, is that a rabbit one?
Can you see this? Ah. Okay, I look weird now. Wearing everything. Let it be. Jerome, do you see my horns? I have horns also.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Afrin ma'am has joined. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am,
Yes, Riza. Good,
What?
Riza.
Yes, very good, very good.
That's very nice. Now you can draw white eyes, 2 white eyes. So we need 2 circles, okay?
Jerome, you have to draw the mouth also.
Now show me what you have done so far.
No one is there with Riham, that's why.
Also, she joined a bit late, so
Yeah.
it was difficult to catch up.
No worries. Very nice. So we have updated the club activities a little bit. We'll share it with you soon, okay? Today.
Okay.
Okay. All right, kids. So enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
ma'am,
Say bye to ma'am, everyone. Bye.
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 Bye, Afrin, ma'am. Illa.
Okay, background, someone's background, yes.
It's Riham.
Riham?
Riham is not there.
Riham, your background. Naila, nice.
Ma'am, look at the mouth.
Okay. Is it red? What color is it?
It is orange.
But your nose is also orange, so mouth has to be red. Ah, very nice result.
Can you make it pink?
Riham, can you
Yes,
look at
yes,
Riza's
Riham.
drawing again? Yes. See, look at Riza's mouth. Not Riza's mouth, Riza's dog's mouth. See? Ah, thank you, Riza.
Very good.
Did you draw it or did you stick it to the paper, Riza? Did you draw it or did you stick a paper there, pink color?
That pink color, the red
Ah.
color,
Is it
I-
paper or?
paper and color it.
Oh, good. Nice. Very well done. You can start with the eyes now. See? Eyes is there. You can start with eyes.
Nice.
White eyes.
Ma'am, I got idea.
Yes, Riham. Very good. Ideas are all we need. An idea can change your life. That's an advertisement. Actually.
Always welcome.
Yes, Naila. Good job. It's looking very pretty.
Okay, Naila, I changed it. Very good.
Now make big eyes. Okay, Naila? Yours is looking very nice. Make 2 white eyes.
What about Jerome and Kezia? Kenza, Asma?
Kezia is hiding us. She will show us at the end. It's a surprise. Right, Kezia?
Very good,
good,
Jerome.
Jerome. Now you can put white there and draw black with it. Okay? Asma, let me see yours. Asma is not showing me.
Asma is
Asma is
busy.
like, I will not. Yeah, don't disturb me now.
Yeah.
I'll show you later.
So I'm fully busy, ma'am. Don't call me like that.
Yeah, don't call my name. Don't disturb me.
Ma'am, look at this.
Where's the mouth?
Yeah, there's a line here.
It should be red. It should be red, Riham. Where's your red pen?
Can I make it pink? I only have this one.
You can make it pink. It is completely your creativity. It doesn't. Oh, Riza, good. You look like a zombie now. And the zombie's eye went down.
Now,
Yes,
ma'am,
good.
can I make the eyes?
Did you make the mouth? Show me your mouth. Then only you can make. Okay, Riza, you can stick it now. Riham, everything yours is small. Why it is getting smaller and smaller? Make
Because
it bigger
my
and
circle
bigger.
is small only.
You can make the
It's
mouth
okay, mouth
inside
can
of
be
the
bigger.
circle, Riham. Inside of
mouth
the
can be-
circle, you can draw the mouth. Inside
already
of the
drew it.
orange circle,
Now
you
we
can draw
cannot
the
change
mouth.
it. Already it is drawn. We cannot change it now.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just make the mouth bigger, Riham. Okay?
Okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah. I can take it. I make
You
it
guys
this
are
way.
all looking very cute, by the way.
No, my
I have
table
to tell you this.
is so mess. Okay. This mouth is enough. Let me cut it.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Kenza, yours is an alien. What about the second eye? Dog with one eye, Kenza. Let me see what is my next presentation. See, now it has both eyes. Now it's okay. Now you can draw them up. Eyes. Take 2 white circles and draw. Cut it and paste it there. 2 white circles. Cut it and paste.
Ma'am, my circle is too small. How will I fit this circle?
Next white circle bigger.
I make a little small circle.
Don't make more small. Yeah, we need bigger, 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 bigger.
Only little small.
Wow,
Ma'am, look at
Asma.
mine.
Someone is there.
Asma, yeah,
See,
it's
Asma,
really
good
good,
job,
very
Asma. Now go for the ear, Asma.
Now can I do the mouth?
Mouth is done. No ear you need now.
Ma'am.
Yes, Riza.
No, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, you can draw the mouth.
Riza, you can go with the ear. And Kenza, good job. Yes, Riza, good job. Now go and draw black circle for eyes. Also, we need 2 eyes, okay? Jerome, where is Jerome's? I don't see Jerome's.
No.
Good, Jerome.
Riham, please mute your mic.
It's not from Riham. Oh, it is from Riham, sorry.
Yeah.
But Riham is doing such a good job. Riham is doing everything alone, right? Good job. Naila. One more eye we need, right? Good job, Naila. I should say that to Mama actually. Mama is doing such a good job. Ear. Who all have started on the ear? Anyone started on the ear? No one? No one started on the ear. No. Yes, Naila? You have to make
Now
the
I start ear.
Very good,
You started
Kenza.
good. In this fast. Riyam, you can take your time, okay? There's no hurry. Jerome is happy. He likes craft class.
All are happy. All are very
Everyone
happy
likes
and
craft.
excited.
You know
And
why
their
that
parents
is?
also.
They're happy to see me. What to do?
Yeah.
They miss me so much.
Their parents also helping them very
These are
much.
good. Now draw inside. You can draw the small circles. Indra. We have to draw black color right inside. Pupils.
Ma'am,
We have
can
to
I
draw the
show you?
pupils.
Yes,
Indra,
of
let me
course. Wow.
see. Why the ear is so small?
The eyes are big, the ears are small.
But it's looking cute. Good job.
Yeah,
Keep
it's
it there.
really good. Very good.
Now you have to keep it safe, okay? Because next class we'll do the continuation.
Show it once again,
activity
Kenza.
fast.
Show it once again.
Keep it there. We'll start with the next one. Ma'am, how about you share the YouTube
Ma'am,
link
you
and
show
you
me?
share the next one? Ma'am will share the next one.
Okay.
Okay, actually, we have only 10 more minutes. I don't think so that we can move on to the new.
It's still 120.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kenza, one more part is there actually. See, half year you have to do. The yours will look nice after that. Yes, Naila, wow. Very good.
Very good.
The ear, we have to work on the ear.
The puppy is looking us. What you all are doing?
Jerome, good job.
Yeah, very good.
Everyone is so talented. Now, Jerome, this ear, half ear part, the ear is folded outwards. So, half ear part we have to do.
Yeah, you can just take 2 circles and press it on half.
Yes. Make one circle, cut the circle in half so that you can put it on both the ears. Yes.
Ma'am, I keep making it small.
Why, Riham? Why you are making it smaller?
Because I have to cut all the sides.
She's cutting it, cutting, and again, at last it will become very small.
Try making a circle again. It doesn't have to be a
So you
perfect
can
circle.
take
Riham,
a top
don't worry.
of something, a bottle, top of
Yes,
a bottle or
Lisa,
something,
good
and you
job.
can just draw the
Now
circle.
ear.
Then cut
Go
it
with the
by
ear.
the
Stop.
scissors.
Lisa? Yes. Now you can go for the ear. Yes. Asma. Yes, good job.
Very good, Asma.
Go for the ears. Casey, I am not getting any report from Casey. What is Casey doing?
Kezia is still
Yes,
doing.
Lisa. I saw yours, Lisa. Good
Very
job.
good, Riza. For the ears.
Don't cut it too much, Riha. Don't cut it too much. Good. Yes. Now you can go for the ear, Casey. Good job. See what you do today, you have to keep it safe. Remember that? What you have done today,
what
you
you
have
are
to keep it
cutting? Riham, which shape you are cutting now? Which shape is the circle? Okay.
She has drawn a circle inside it. Pencil. But the cutting is not going her way.
Ma'am, mine is very zombie.
Where is zombie? I want to see your zombie. You can do one thing. The eyes, pupil inside the eyes, the black part, make it bigger.
Oh, okay.
It will look cuter.
Okay.
Jerome, it's really good. Very good.
Jerome, wow, you're so creative. Yay, Jerome.
it's
Okay, good, Graham.
very good,
Now you
very
can
good.
stop. You can stick it behind the face.
Now, okay, ma'am.
Now, okay. Jerome, do one thing. Write your name behind the paper with pencil. Behind the craft with pencil. And it's very nice, Jerome.
Okay, so
Like this?
how many of you completed? Jerome, Kenza, and what about Asma also completed, right?
Kansas, I didn't see the final work.
I didn't do the ears.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, my table is very messy.
Table is very messy.
Yeah.
You have to clean it after the class.
Yeah.
After the craft class, it will be like that. It will become very messy.
Kansas, show me your big
class,
eyes.
there is no more class.
Okay.
That is after this class. Kenza, where's your bigger eye, dog? Dog with the bigger eye. More bigger it need to be. See here the eyes are so big. Let it be big, guys. Why you hate big? Everyone is drawing small, small, small. Okay. Good job.
Now
Good
it's
job,
almost
Kenza.
fine. Yeah.
At the end, we'll take a screenshot with all of you holding it.
All you have to show your puppy on the screen.
Ma'am, my puppy is very comedy, zombie, and smiley puppy.
Comedy, zombie, and smiley. Oh.
Reham is still cutting.
Remember, you have 3 more minutes to complete it, okay? 3 to 4 minutes you have to complete. Jerome completed, right? Jerome is happy he completed quickly.
Jerome completed.
Ma'am,
Kenza
I only have
completed.
to stick the ears, but the problem is I don't know how to stick the ears.
You have to
From the
stick it,
other
I'll
side,
show
you can stick. From the
See?
other side.
Yeah,
Opposite side.
that's how I'm gonna stick, but I don't know how to stick in the other side.
Turn your paper, turn the picture, then stick on the behind. Got it, Asma? Don't cut it.
I think that is a bigger one.
It's
Yes,
bigger.
Asma?
Then you can cut it. I don't understand what she's saying because she's on mute.
I made semi and circle,
Hmm?
so I have to cut it into circle, right?
No, that is the second part, no? That is second. Before that one part is there.
Reham?
First, okay, yes. Before that, we have to join this. Join the circle, then semicircle.
Okay,
Good job,
Kezia.
Kezia completed.
Very good
The
at
2 people
last.
completed, Jerome and Kezia.
Yeah,
2
it's
more minutes
almost-
left, okay, people?
It almost looked like Mickey Mouse.
2 more minutes we have. After that, we'll be taking photos with it.
Very good, Riza. Riza also completed, I think. Yeah, Naila completed. Very good.
Wow. Good job, Naila.
Very good. Naila, Kenza, Kezia, Jerome, Risa. Asma is almost
Riza
there.
has to show
and
the
Riham.
final piece. Riham has to show the. Riham, what happened to your final piece? Show me how much you have done. Oh my god, the branches are the
Very
same.
good,
Okay,
Naila.
good, Naila, very nice.
Yeah, it's really good.
Now we will take photo.
Ma'am,
Just
I'm
wait.
making the ears.
Very good.
Okay. You have to make a little more faster now, okay? Riham?
So we have only 3 more minutes.
And we have to take photo.
Yes.
I swear, like,
Asia, just a second. Oh, wow. What is that? What is it made up of clay?
yeah.
Yeah, Claire.
And you
Velociraptor.
painted it after clay, on top of clay.
Velociraptor.
Casey is so creative. I have heard that silent people think a lot and they're creative because Casey is a bit silent shy, right? Good job, Riza. Riza also completed.
Yes, Risa.
Very well done, Riza.
I've done all.
It's good. You did very, very nice. I just love it. Kenza, your brother is helping you or disturbing you?
So overrated.
My brother wants mine.
After the photo, you can give it. No. Don't give it. Don't give it. Yes, Riza. Just keep it. Naila, we are waiting for you.
Naila already completed.
Not Naila, sorry. Riham. Sorry, Riham.
We'll be getting started, but
Riham, we are waiting for you.
Riham and Asma.
Asma is not completed yet.
No,
Asma.
she's making the ears. Only 2 are left. All others are completed.
no, that's like. Yeah, we did. We did like this. In the first
Ma'am, I accidentally made a semicircle too big.
It's okay, you join it. Let it be. Asma, Naila, don't break it.
The puppy with
Don't
big
damage it.
ears. We can say like that. The puppy with big ears.
It will be a squeeze puppy. Yes. Everyone wait. Ready? Shall we take a photo, Riham? With whatever you have, we will take with that. Atika ma'am, your face also needs to come, I
Yeah.
think. So you cannot go behind the camera. Riham, just hold whatever you have. Just keep it in. Everyone keep it in front of the camera like this. Not like that, Naila. Good, Asma. Asma, keep it on. That is a good position. See where Asma is kept. Okay, Richa. Others? Your face, keep it in front of your face. Half of her face will come.
The chin.
Good, Kenza. Yes, keep it on the chin. Jerome?
Jerome,
Yes, Naila,
Riham.
Jerome.
Jerome and Riham.
Kesia, can you come a little more forward, Kesia? Riham? Just hold it, whatever you
Kenza,
have
stay
here.
there. Kenza.
Kenza. I'll say 3, 2, 1. Riham, come on. Just hold whatever you have. Show me.
Don't cover your face, Kenza. Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Bye, everybody.
Assalam.
Okay, bye, Naila, Riham, Risa.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, Risa.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, Naila.
Bye bye.